Having trouble with your seatbelt retractor? So am I. We're going to try something and see if it'll make it work like new. Let's give it a shot. First thing I'm going to do is spray it with some silicone lubricant. Don't use WD-40 or anything greasy, even though silicone sometimes can be a little sticky. But I'm just going to spray the silicone right on that bracket that the belt goes through. And if you're looking at your belt right here and you lift your tulip up, so I'm lifting the tulip up right in here. It's tough to see, but you could see the bracket that it goes through. Spray that with some silicone lube. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, now I'm pulling the seatbelt all the way out until the very end. Can't pull it anymore. I'm going to use this ceramic coating, and that's really for the paint, but it's a synthetic polymer. Let's give it a shot. Both sides. Use a cloth and coat the seatbelt with the polymer. Just a little bit more left here. Okay. Okay. Now this belt is super slick and pliable, and hopefully it's getting on the channel behind the seat, acting as a lubricant. Okay, so let's see what happens. Voila. Okay, let's see how it worked. I just tried it. It was really nice. I'll just show you how fast. Ready? It is nice and tight. Look at that. That's the best it ever worked since I owned this vehicle. So I highly recommend spraying some silicone lube down there on the side of the tulip, and then take the whole seatbelt all the way out, as much as you could pull out, and coat both sides with some ceramic coating, which is made for the paint, but it works great on the seatbelt. Okay, folks, hope that helps. Thanks for watching.